Hello everyone. This is a very unexpected video. I didn't expect to be making this video yet. But I mentioned in my first YouTube short, Christian Took a Fall, that a new engine would be arriving this month. And well, we got it. An LMS Black 5, even though it's red. Okay, I am just kind of nervous if I'm being honest. I just want this model to work. So, I probably should have brought a scissors down here, shouldn't I? So, just give me a moment to go get a scissors and I will open this guy up. Alright, I couldn't find the gray scissors that my mom just used to open the package this guy came in, so I just went and grabbed the blue scissors. I also went and grabbed, obviously, Jesus. Jesus has to... Oh, shoot! Oh, crap. I'm really just screwed up, didn't I? Anyway, we have to have Jesus here. He has to witness. And then my new friend, this is Gilbert. I found him while I was away at church camp. I just found him on the ground next to a trash can, and I decided, you know what, he's my new friend. Anyway. Okay, I need everything moved. Ferdinand. Okay, I'm gonna be very careful, because I spent a lot of money on this. Oh, wait, did I even need the scissors? I don't think I even needed the scissors. Did I not need the scissors? Okay, there it is. Here we go. Very carefully removing this. This box is, well, it's here. Okay. There's a lot of stuff I'm probably not going to read. Please read carefully and store in a safe place. Okay. This probably is important. Okay. Here it is. Here we go. Here's the model. Here it is. Now, the thing is, this might not run on the track because this is radius 1 curves. Okay, it's free rolling. It shouldn't do that. That might be really bad. The tender might be too big. I need to test this. Hold on. It doesn't work. It doesn't even work. Bro. So the model doesn't even work. Great. So that's fun. Spent all that money to get an engine that doesn't work. Well, that's annoying, guys. It's free rolling and that bugs me. Wait. Oh, it's tender driven. That's why. That explains a lot, actually. Okay. I thought it didn't work. It's just tender driven. Okay, that's kind of a weird decision, but okay, well, I mean, it works. Technically. Give me a moment. Alright, I got it turned around. My overall assessment so far is... doesn't run great, but, I mean, it works. Now it's not even running. Okay, what is going on anymore? Is my controller just... Okay, so this guy might need a service. That's for sure. Alright. Let's try just the tender now. No, it's not even working. Does it not run without the engine? Alright guys, I gotta get this figured out. Because I'm pretty sure this train is a dud. Yeah, part of it's definitely that we don't have the right radius curves. Yeah, I have yet to buy any new new curves, and also this model is just not running. Yeah, this model runs very poorly. It's kind of a dud. Okay, so it wants to work, but yeah, this model's a bit of a dud. You know, that was another one that was on eBay that ran pretty well. But, not this one. But yeah, this model's a bit of a dud. What do I mean, a bit? Oh, Jesus fell off the table. Yep. But this is annoying. Okay, there we go. So my conclusion from this is that I shouldn't have bought this. It doesn't run very well. Yeah. This model's a bit of a dud. Well, this didn't run very well. And, yeah, this one's not gonna work. He's moving now. It's moving now. Oh, jeez. What the heck? Oh, boy. Okay, there we go. He's moving now. He's kind of moving. He's moving. So it did say he might need a service, so maybe that's what they're doing. Maybe he just needs a good run. Come on, buddy. Come on. There we go. He's running a bit. But yeah, this guy's gonna need a service, because otherwise he's not. Oh, the rail joiners are. Well, some of the rail joiners are not working very well. Some of the rail joiners are coming undone over here. You'll see. Hopefully. But yeah, this Okay, he's working better now. I will probably not be buying from this seller again, but I mean, he's working. This guy's kind of working. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah. I think this one's a dud. Yep, this is a dud. This guy's a dud. Yep. There it goes. Okay, yeah, he's jittery. He's jittery, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm not buying another used model train, that's for sure. Well, any chance of this becoming Henry certainly just got thrown out the window. this model's yep, not gonna. But yeah, not a good model. Yeah, I bought this with the intention of turning it into Henry at some point, but that's probably not happening. Gonna need a service. So yeah, sorry to... I gotta end this one on a bit of a sorrow note. This guy is not becoming Henry, and he's kind of a dud. Alright. That's all from me. Peace out. Alright, so update is running better. Yeah. This guy's running better. Not amazing, especially not compared to Christian wherever I put him. Oh, and he's stuck. I have a plan. Come on, just... There we go. Yeah, it's gonna get annoying real fast to try and get this guy to work. But yeah, still doesn't run great, which is pretty disappointing. Come on, Christian. Help your friend out. Okay, so the hope is to try and get some lubricant to make him run better, but for now, he's fine. Bye.